Now the question before us is a right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Though this question appears to be something confusing, it is not. So it is very easy. We are only to understand it. This is the right triangle. Here it is 90-degree angle. This is ABC triangle. So here this is the base which is 5 centimeter. This is AB, this is 12 centimeter. And this side which is known as hypotenuse, this is 13 centimeter. So we have a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 12 centimeter, where AC is equal to 13 centimeter and where BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Now what has been given is that this right angle triangle will be revolved around 12 centimeter. In other words, we can say that this is the triangle and it will be revolved, that is it will be revolved to form a cone. This will be the shape, that this triangle will be revolved and this it will be revolved around 12 meter, 12 centimeter. So here this will be the shape of the cone or the solid which will be the obtained by us when we rotate the triangle about 12 centimeter. So what is here? We have the radius, this BC. Radius of solid so obtained is radius is 5 centimeter. This is the height around which the triangle has been rotated. This is the height. Height is 12 centimeter. So what is the slant height? Slant height is the this this point to this point which touches the perimeter. Slant height is equal to 13 centimeter. So here we have to find the volume of cone because we have obtained the solid which is a cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3, value of pi is 22 over 7, value of r is 5. What is the value of h? Value of h is 12. So here 25 into 400 divided by 7. This is in cubic centimeter. So this is the answer before us that we have arrived at, or we can also write it as, because value of 22 over 7 is pi, we can also write it as 100 pi cubic centimeter, or we can write the answer as this way, or we can write it as this way. It is up to you. Both the answers are correct. This is the volume of the solid so obtained. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, Please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.